How to fix Uber Eats payment error. Hi guys, if you're having trouble with payments on Uber Eats, like getting an error message such as payment method declined or something went wrong, here's how to troubleshoot the problem. First of all, you can try using a different payment method, which is the easiest solution. So go to account and then tap on wallet, scroll down and tap on add payment method, and here you can add a new debit or credit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Klarna, Venmo, etc. Keep in mind that Uber may block cards if they are used on multiple accounts to prevent fraud. And also check your card information. Make sure that your card number, your expiration date, and the CVV code are correct and card hasn't expired or been blocked by your bank. So using a different card or a digital wallet like Google Pay or Apple Pay might help and make the process smoother. Also, make sure that you have enough money in your account or enough available credit to spend. Your bank hasn't set a limit on online or international transactions. And test your card by making a small purchase somewhere else online. Payment errors can happen if the internet connection is weak, so try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile or mobile data to Wi-Fi. And close and then reopen the Uber Eats application. Also try clearing the app's cache. For that, tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. From here, search for Uber Eats application. Then again, scroll down and tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Then update the Uber Eats application using your Play Store or App Store according to your device. If you're using an old version of the app, it could have payment bugs. And if nothing else works, report the problem directly to the Uber Eats. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.